Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Brother DCP-1510E to your Windows PC and how to start using it, how to print and scan. Let's get into it. I suppose you have already prepared your printer to work. I mean, you've installed the toner cartridge, loaded some paper, and your printer is powered on. Next, take a look on the back panel of your printer. You will find USB Type B port over here, and you need to use cable like this, USB Type B to Type A. This is the only connection method for this printer. It doesn't have Wi-Fi connection option, so usually you can find this cable in the printer's box, but if there is no cable, you need to purchase or get it somewhere. So plug in the Type B end into the printer's port and Type A end in your computer. If you don't have USB Type A in your computer, use adapters, for example, from Type C to Type A. And the next step is software and driver installation. If you have an optical drive in your computer, you can use this CD to install drivers, but if you don't have, let's download drivers from the internet. So open a web browser on your computer and Google search for Brother DCP-1510E drivers. Hit enter. And go to this website, Brother USA Downloads for your printer. Click on that. Select your operating system and operating system version in this window and click OK. And download full driver and software package. Select your language. Scroll down and agree to the terms and conditions. Click on this button. Your file will be downloaded. And once downloaded, click on the file. Now it's decompressing, in other words, unarchiving. Wait for it. Click Yes in this window. Select your language once again. Click OK. And the setup is in process. License agreement, yes. Standard installation, you don't need to customize anything. Now it's installing, just wait for it. You can continue using your computer, don't worry. And the final step, write in registry information. After your computer restarted and all applications in system tray are loaded, if you see this window, it means the installation was successful and you can continue. Just click on OK. If you don't see this window, open your Downloads folder, go to Explorer, Downloads, find the installer, run it, and this time select Custom Installation and complete all the steps, all the previous steps, and then restart your computer after the installation is finished, and you will see this window and click OK. So now you can start using your printer, but first let's make sure that it's added to the system. So click the Start menu, go to Settings, and start typing Printers and Scanners. Now you can see your printer in the system. Make your way to the settings on Mac. I'm not Mac user, I'm not Linux user. So now you can start print from any application that allows you to do it. For example, you can print PDF file from your system. I have some PDFs in my downloads. Let's open one of them. Now go to menu, find print, or just hit Ctrl-P key combination on your keyboard. It takes you to the print dialog. Make sure your printer is selected in this drop-down. Now set number of copies, adjust these settings, but I won't go through these settings because they depend on the application you use. I rather go to Properties to open the printer's settings. So you can set paper size, orientation, number of copies, media type, print quality, print settings, and so on. Also, you can go to Advanced tab. Adjust some settings here, like scale. You can upscale or downscale your document up to 400%. You can use print profiles as well, factory presets. So once you're done, click on OK. If you need, adjust the settings in this application window and click on print, and your document just will be printed. But it will not be printed in color because this printer is black and white only. To scan documents, you need a scanning application on your computer. You can install from Microsoft Store, from App Store, or use professional tools like Adobe Acrobat. I will show you this simple free application, Scanner, quick and easy document scanning on Windows. It's already installed on my computer, so let's open it. Make sure your printer is selected in this drop-down and adjust your scanning settings. Select source, but you have no option here. It's on a flatbed. Select the file output. If you need multiple page documents, select PDF. Otherwise, you can save as images. For photos, for example, select mode, color, grayscale or monochrome. Let's scan color, and resolution 300 dpi for documents is good enough, but you can select up to 1200 dpi for this printer. And next, you need to place the document in your scanning unit. To do it correctly, open the scanning unit and then place the side you wish to scan facing down on the scanner glass like this. And remember, the top left corner of your document must be aligned with the top left corner of the scanning surface. You have the paper sheet icon over here, so align the top left corner to this icon. And notice your paper size over here also. And on this size you also have paper size markers. Then close the scanning unit. And in the application, click on Scan button. Wait for the result. Right away you can add the next page to your document. Just place it to the scanning unit. Don't forget to align correctly. Close the lid and click on Scan once again. And now you can click on these 4 square icons and see all pages of your document. You can select each page to edit it. You can crop the page. You can rotate each page. You can draw on the pages like this. Click Save to save your changes. You can rename the file. Let's rename. Never mind. Confirm. You can delete page or delete this page if you don't need it. Copy to clipboard or open the page in another application or share the file. The file is saved automatically. You can click on this folder icon and see your file location. Here it is. You can continue adding pages in this application and they will be automatically added to your file. As you can see, the location is Pictures Scans in your users folder in Windows. In Mac, location will be a different application, by the way. So guys, that's it. That's how to use your printer. And I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, and be awesome. See you in the next video.